everybody, Mike and I are at the coffee shop, and he's got his thunder jacket on, and it's raining and thundering. Right, Mike? So it's about 5 o'clock, 5:30 in the morning. Mike didn't want to be upstairs, he wanted to be at the coffee shop. But it's thundering pretty good, so he's even scared down here. But he feels better. He's sitting on my lap in the car. You're gonna be okay, buddy. You're gonna be okay. You can get in your bushes so you can have a sleep. Anyway, that's where we are this morning. Hey, buddy. We're okay. You're okay, buddy. Here's the rain on the roof. It's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna be okay. Hey, buddy. Okay, guys.